Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. Guys, Dogecoin preps up for a rally towards 30 cents. Dogecoin price confirms a triangle breakout on the 4H chart. Doge bulls target 30 cents amid the renewed upside momentum. $0.1969 is the level to beat for the bears amid bullish RSI. Dogecoin price is jumping this Sunday, displaying a solid start to August, as a fresh buying wave grips the crypto market, with Bitcoin challenging two-month tops above $42,000. Doge price has gained about 5% in the past 4 hours, as it hovers around $0.2150, having witnessed 2 straight weekly rise. The 11th most traded coin posted 11.50% gains over the last 7 days after receiving endorsements from 2 technology giants. Tesla Inc. CEO Elon Musk tweeted out, "The meme coin isn't a speculative asset but rather, Dogecoin is money." Meanwhile, the report that the number of global crypto users doubled to 200 million in 4 months, courtesy of the growing interest in tokens such as Shiba Inu and Dogecoin among others, helped keep the buoyant tone intact around the canine-inspired coin. Technical setup indicates more room to the upside. The meme coin confirmed a descending triangle breakout on the 4-hour chart in the last hour, following a candlestick closing above the falling trendline resistance at $0.2103, where the bearish 200 simple moving average coincides. The upside breakout has opened gates for a rally towards the July 26 high of $0.2336, above which the 25-cent psychological magnate could be challenged. Further up, the 30 cents round number could test the bullish commitments. Justifying the move higher, the relative strength index holds comfortably above the midline while sitting beneath the overbought territory. Any pullbacks will meet initial demand at $0.2100. The above-mentioned key resistance now turns support. The next relevant support is seen around $2,050, the confluence of the mildly bullish 21 and 50 SM as. The triangle support at $0.1969 is likely to be the line in the sand for the Doge buyers. Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency has been trending slightly higher over the past week. However, recent gains of 5% were nowhere close to the gains seen by some of its top 10 counterparts that saw double-digit percentage growth. A look at its chart suggested that Doge's price needs an external catalyst to push the market higher in order to avoid an incoming decline. Doge lovers, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. At the time of video, Dogecoin was valued at $0.207 and held the 8th spot on CoinMarketCap's rankings. Doge's daily chart highlighted 2 symmetrical triangle breakdowns that resulted in losses of 16% and 25%. Its reversal from June's low of 63 cents was critical to its market structure, which would have turned increasingly bearish in case of another breakdown. The reversal led to an up channel as buyers made some inroads towards recovery. However, its technicals were yet to surpass key levels as Doge approached the $0.215 resistance at press time. The daily relative strength index has climbed above 50 to 55 for most altcoins that rallied behind Bitcoin. Alas, the same was not the case for Dogecoin just yet. Its RSI was below 50, a sign that bulls had not assumed market control. The MACD also remained below the half-line and noted only a slight increase in bullish momentum. The ADX has been dipping over the past few days. This suggested that Doge's uptrend has been easing. Considering these factors, Doge faces an uphill battle to climb above $0.215 over the coming days. Such an outcome would see the price retrace towards the bottom trendline and the $0.194 support. A close below this area would open the floodgates for an even sharper retracement. Conclusion: Doge's uptrend seemed to be weakening as the price approached the $0.215 price ceiling. Failing to hike above this zone over the next 24 hours could have a negative effect on the market. This would likely push Doge back towards its 2-0 SMA. Traders must also be on the lookout for a close below $0.194. In such a case, a massive decline could be in the offing. Same question on everyone's mind. Guys, bear market over? Why Bitcoin could soar to $45,000 as strong holders grow. The first cryptocurrency by market cap trades at $41,300 at the time of video, with a 6% and 23.8% profit in the daily chart. The general sentiment in the market has flipped bullish. The fear and greed index signals greed for the first time in months. Other indicators, as many experts have pointed out, suggest a definite shift in the market. The bulls could see more green days in the coming weeks. Data from Glassnode, provided by the CIO of Moskovsky Capital Lex Moskovsky, recorded an increase in the amount of Bitcoin held by strongest holders. According to the illiquid supply metric, these holders have risen to an all-time high and suggest bullish price action. Charles Edwards, a founder at Capriole Investments, revealed an increase in long-term Bitcoin holders. According to the Hold Waves metric, these types of investors have been growing their supply since the May 2021 crash. Edwards added, "This type of sharp rise never occurred in the early stages of prior bear markets, suggesting that there is a chance the Bitcoin bull cycle is still intact." Additional data provided by Edwards indicates that exchanges platforms had their first positive outflows since last week when Bitcoin made a run from its yearly open at around $29,000 to its current levels. This metric suggests that the demand in the crypto market could be returning and could support further appreciation. Days prior to the current price action, Bitcoin dropped from about $35,000 to its yearly open, as mentioned. Edwards called this price action a failed breakout, as sellers were exhausted at those lows and were unable to push the price further down. He added, "The ensuing squeeze to the upside was supported by a heavily short market, with overexposure to stable coin contracts. This resulted in a short squeeze over the last week, which culminated on the candle highlighted Bitcoin fundamentals turn positive, bulls back in control." Edwards reviewed other indicators, such as the hash ribbons metric, and believes it looks promising. The metric saw an important decline after China banned Bitcoin mining from the country. Miners had to migrate to friendlier destinations. The Bitcoin hash rate and its energy value has been rising. Edwards found that both of this metric grew around 8%, indicating that the miners' migration has ended. Another bullish factor, since these entities can stop selling BTC, the market could see selling pressure diminish. However, investors must remain cautious. Hash rate is showing a positive and strong trend, not dissimilar to December 2018, suggesting the bottom could be in. However, hash rate can give various false positives during capitulation. This is why we remain cautious until the hash ribbon buy signal is confirmed. In the coming days, Bitcoin could see more accumulation around its current levels with a higher chance of another leg up to the mid-range, $45,000. If BTC's price retraces, the invalidation zone stands at $39,000. The macroeconomic outlook presents a potential tailwind and risk for Bitcoin. Edwards claims that the U.S. Federal Reserve and its inflationary monetary policy could continue to boost BTC if the financial institution keeps printing money. There is a potential risk in the traditional market. If the stock market crashes, Bitcoin could follow. The cryptocurrency has displayed a high level of correlation with the S&P 500. In consequence, it could hurt its chances to reclaim previous highs in case of a drop. Edwards concluded, "For now, fundamentals and technicals are skewed towards the upside, and our base case is we will move towards the mid to high -$40 Ks over the coming weeks. In the near term, this thesis would be validated if we break down below $39,000. Finally, Bitcoin cycle history tells us to be wary of significant volatility and downside risk until conditions are further improved. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.